See, to solve questions of puzzles in less time, you should have a good comprehending skill. Do you know what is comprehending? What do you mean by comprehending? अभी आरसी पढ़ा नहीं है इसलिए पता नहीं है. What do we mean by comprehending? Means understanding the meaning of the passage, right? So you should have good comprehending skills. You should have a good reading speed also, right? In the less time that you are going to read a question, in the less time that you are going to process that question, the less time you are going to take to solve it. ठीक है? Now in these questions, right now your focus would not be on to getting on a solution. Your focus would be, see, the first question I'm going to solve it for you. Your focus would be that how I am approaching the question, right? What are the things I'm keeping in mind while reading a question? Now see, when it comes to puzzles, when your examiner is going to give you a question based on puzzles, obviously with the passage he will give you multiple follow-up questions, but here with the passage I have just kept one question, right? Because my sole target in these sessions is that we solve as many puzzles as possible, because that is only going to help you. अगर एक बार puzzle बन गई, एक बार format बन गया, table बन गई, तो follow up questions तो हम वो table में से data match करके बता ही सकते हैं किसका क्या आंसर होगा, right? So with every question I have kept only one follow up question. We will solve that. And sometimes it is also going to happen that even without solving half of your puzzle, you would be able to answer that follow up question, but still solve the entire puzzle. Try to solve the entire puzzle, because see, if I am going to frame a question in the exam for you, I'll keep in mind that you can answer all the questions only when you solve the entire puzzle. You draw the entire table, right? I'll make sure about that. तब तक आप आंसर ना कर पाए, एक दो क्वेश्चन भले आंसर कर ले, लेकिन सारे तब तक आंसर ना कर पाए जब तक आपकी पूरी टेबल नहीं बनी, राइट? तो यहां पर अगर आपका आंसर बीच में कहीं पर आ जाता है, बट स्टिल पूरी टेबल बनाइएगा, बिकॉज दैट इज ओनली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन द एग्जाम, राइट? So let me solve the first question for you. Try to comprehend with me and see if I am reading a puzzle, like what are the points I am keeping in mind. That should be your focus on learning. ठीक है, कि क्या क्या points ध्यान में लेके चलना है puzzle बनाते टाइम. So let's see this question. Right, on our screen we have a puzzle. This is our question. How many movies were screened before Shark Tale? This is my follow-up question. How many movies were screened before Shark Tale? So now we have this question. Let's read it. 7 animated movies: Up, Finding Nemo, Ice Age, Aladdin, Shark Tale, Beauty and the Beast, The Incredibles were screened during a children's workshop, not necessarily in the same order. The workshop started on Monday and ended on Sunday. Only one movie was screened on each day. Beauty and the Beast was screened on Wednesday. The Incredibles was screened on the 4th day after Up was screened. Ice Age was screened before Thursday but not on Monday. Shark Tale and Aladdin were not screened on Saturday, but Shark Tale was screened before Saturday. Now see, right now we are at our comfort zone. So I have read the entire question, right? But in my exam, I do not have this much luxury that I can read the question first and then I'm going to solve it. Obviously, in my exam, I'm going to read question line by line and I'll start drawing my table, right? But as far as when I read this table, it is absolutely clear to me that this is a one variable puzzle where I have to draw a table, right, for in the order where these movies are going to be get screened, right? 7 movies, 7 days. That means each movie is screened one day, right? On one day, right? Per day, I screen only one movie. And if a movie gets screened on a particular day of the week, it is not going to repeat itself, right, within that week. That is for sure. Now see, it is also given to me that my week started from Monday and ended on Sunday. See, if my examiner specifies the order of the week, then I'm going to take only that order of the week, right? For example, if my examiner would have specified, sir, the week starts on Friday and ends on Thursday, right? So I'm going to take the same order. That week is starting on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? So if my examiner specifies a particular order of the week, I'm going to keep taking that order. But suppose if my examiner forgot to tell me the order, like from where the week started and where it ended, right? I will, by default, I will take that my week starts on Monday and ends on Sunday. See, it is always that your week is going to end always one day before the day it started. ठीक है, ये बात ध्यान में रखिएगा. वीक हमेशा जिस दिन से शुरू हुआ उससे एक दिन पहले खत्म हो जाता है. सपोज इफ योर वीक स्टार्ट्स ऑन सैटरडे, इट विल एंड ऑन फ्राइडे. इफ योर वीक स्टार्ट्स ऑन ट्यूसडे, इट विल एंड ऑन Monday, right? So by default we will take, if my examiner forgets to tell me, by default we will take that the week started on Monday and ended on Sunday. Now see, this is a one variable puzzle where I have to screen 7 movies, so I need 7 columns to be made, right? My week started on Monday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now my question says ki Beauty and the Beast was screened on Wednesday. Now see, this information is something that is fixed, that Beauty and the Beast was screened on Wednesday. This is certain, that movie Beauty and the Beast was screened on Wednesday. Now on Wednesday, no other movie can be screened. Apart from Beauty and the Beast, no other movie can be screened on Wednesday. And because Beauty and the Beast was screened on Wednesday, it cannot repeat itself within the week. Right now, I cannot screen Beauty and the Beast on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I cannot screen it. Because once a movie gets screened within a week, it will not repeat. And per day, only one movie will be screened. There will be no such day where 2 movies were screened on the same day. No. Right. Next part, it says, The Incredibles was screened on the 4th day after Up was screened. See, The Incredibles movie was screened on the 4th day after Up movie was screened. So whatever day Up movie was screened, on its 4th day, it was movie, The Incredibles, that is going to be screened. So let's say if Up movie was screened on Thursday, let's assume if Up movie was screened on Thursday, then in that case, The Incredibles should be screened on 4th day. So first day, second day, third day. If I screen this Up movie on Thursday, then can I screen The Incredibles movie on the 4th day? Do I have a 4th day available within the week? No. क्योंकि अगर आपने यहां पर स्क्रीन किया, ठीक है, अप मूवी को, सो 1, 2, 3, देयर इज नो 4th अवेलेबल डे विद इन दिस वीक. 4th डे अब कब आएगा? मंडे को, वो तो अगला वीक हो गया, राइट? एंड आई शुड बी स्क्रीनिंग दीज मूवीज विद इन दिस वीक. So this tells me कि I cannot screen Up movie on Thursday because the 4th day will not be available, or any day after Thursday, because same thing is going to happen any day after Thursday, right? अगर हम Friday, Saturday को भी screen करें, then we will not be getting the 4th day. So this tells me now I can screen Up movie on Monday or Tuesday. Suppose if I screen Up movie on Monday, then 1, 2, 3, 4. In that case, Incredibles will be screened on Friday. And suppose now if I screen Up movie on Tuesday, then 1, 2, 3, 4. In that case, Incredibles movie will be screened on Saturday. So now for Up movie, I have 2 options, Monday and Tuesday. Right? Since I have multiple possibilities, I will skip this line. अब देखिए, एक चीज ध्यान में रखिए, sitting arrangement में I told you to draw 2 possibilities at a time, but here I am not asking you to draw 2 possibilities. Why? Because compared to sitting arrangement, this data is going to be very huge. अभी तो आप 1 वेरिएबल पजल कर रहे हैं, तो सोचिए 2 पैराग्राफ थे. अभी जब आप 3 वेरिएबल करेंगे, तो सोचिए पैराग्राफ कितना लंबा होगा. ठीक है ना, पैसेज कितना लंबा होता है. तो उतने बड़े डाटा को कॉम्प्रीहेंड करना और फिर उसके साथ में मल्टीपल पॉसिबिलिटीज बनाना, दिस विल बिकम very lengthy process, right, which we are going to exempt. So that's why I'm not asking you. So उन सारी informations को पहले skip करते जाइए जिनकी multiple possibilities है. First try to find out those informations which are certain, which do not have any other alternatives. Now see, next line, Ice Age was screened before Thursday but not on Monday. See, Ice Age movie was screened before Thursday but not on Monday. So before Thursday, I have only 2 days available for Ice Age movie, that is Monday and Tuesday. And since it is given that Ice Age was not screened on Monday, this tells me that now Ice Age movie will be screened on. बात समझ में आई? Ice Age को Tuesday क्यों रखा? Clear? कहीं पे भी कोई point ना समझ में आए, पूछ लेते. ठीक है. So now Up movie, which earlier had 2 options, Monday and Tuesday, now has only 1 option, that Up movie will be screened on Monday. If Up movie is screened on Monday, then 1, 2, 3, 4. The Incredibles will be screened on Friday. ठीक है. Next part it says कि Shark Tale and Aladdin were not screened on Saturday. Shark Tale and Aladdin were not screened on Saturday. See, I have 3 empty spaces. That means 3 movies are yet to be screened. And they are Shark Tale, Aladdin and Finding Nemo. Now I know this very well. For Saturday, this tells me that for Saturday I have 3 movie options, Shark Tale, Aladdin and Finding Nemo. And since it is clearly given that Shark Tale and Aladdin were not screened on Saturday, so for Saturday only 1 movie option remains, that is Finding Nemo. ठीक. And now it was also said that Shark Tale and Aladdin were not screened on Saturday, but Shark Tale was screened before Saturday. If Shark Tale movie was screened before Saturday I have only one day available with me, that is Thursday. So Shark Tale movie will be screened on Thursday. Right now for Sunday I have only one movie option remains, that is Aladdin. So my question was, how many movies were screened before Shark Tale? So before Shark Tale, how many movies were there? 1, 2, 3. Right? And this will be match. And this will be your tape. बात समझ में आई कैसे करना है? Keep your patience, keep calm while you solve these questions. Right? Don't be in a hurry कि आप ढंग से लाइंस भी नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं और उसको कॉम्प्रिहेंड नहीं कर रहे. आपके पास बहुत अच्छा टाइम है इस क्वेश्चन. See, per question you have 1 minute. You all agree with this? Per question you have 1 minute. And see, when it comes to a puzzle, अगर एक puzzle आपको देता है तो उसके साथ 3 follow up question मिनिमम देगा. ठीक, अब 3 follow up question कितना टाइम हो गया? 3 मिनट. 3 क्वेश्चंस के हिसाब से कितना टाइम हो गया? 3 मिनट. ठीक है, अगर आपने एक टेबल बना ली तो फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने में आपको 10 सेकंड से ज्यादा नहीं लगेगा. एक बात बताइए, इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने में कितना टाइम लगा? 10 सेकंड. हाउ मेनी movies were screened before Shark Tale? It took me 10 seconds. Right? So this tells me कि if I have 3 follow-up questions, that means I need maximum 40 seconds, maximum. Still, I have 2.5 minutes to solve that puzzle. Right? I have 2.5 minutes to draw up my table, to draw up my arrangement. Am I clear? Right? So give your time to it. Initially, you will take, obviously, you will not be able to solve this puzzle in 2.5 minutes. ठीक है, क्योंकि अभी पहली बार पढ़ा है. You people are raw. But as you are going to practice and practice, right, your speed will increase. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक दो ही चीजों की स्पीड चाहिए, कॉम्प्रिहेंडिंग एंड रीडिंग. वो कब होगा? जब आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, ये स्पीड आपकी तभी बढ़ेगी. राइट? ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन. योर फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन इज दिस: ऑन विच डे आफ्टर फिजिक्स इज बायोलॉजी शेड्यूल्ड? नोट कर लिया? चलिए बनाइए. See, my question says 6 lectures on 6 different subjects: physics, chemistry, biology, algebra, geometry, and astronomy have to be scheduled, one on each day across 7 days of the week, starting from Sunday and ending on Saturday. See, the order of the week is given, that my week starts from Sunday and its end on Saturday. Right? But 7 days, 6 subjects. That means 1 day is going to be a holiday. Right? My week starts from Sunday. Then comes Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday and Saturday. All right. Now, the schedule has to be drawn out for the subjects such that 1 day has to be a holiday. See, we already knew, because 7 days, 6 subjects, that means 1 day has to be a holiday. And it can neither be Sunday nor Saturday. That means first day of the week and the last day of the week cannot be a holiday. Right? But still, for holiday I have multiple options available, like it can be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 days are available. So 5 possibilities. I'll skip this part. Next part, it says geometry has to be scheduled immediately after algebra. See, geometry has to be scheduled immediately after algebra. That means algebra and geometry are going to be scheduled on consecutive days. Right? For example, let's say if I schedule algebra on Sunday, then geometry will be on Monday. But if I schedule algebra on Monday, geometry will be on Tuesday. But if I schedule algebra on Tuesday, geometry will be on Wednesday. Algebra on Wednesday, geometry will be on Thursday. So multiple options. Because right now all the days are available, all the days are vacant, right? So multiple options. So I'll skip this line. Next part, it says physics cannot start the series in the week. Physics cannot start the series in the week. That means I cannot schedule physics on Sunday. I cannot schedule physics on Sunday, but I can schedule physics on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Right? Multiple days are available, so I'll skip this line. Physics cannot start the series in the week and has to be done exactly 3 days before astronomy. So I need to schedule physics exactly 3 days before astronomy. Sir, can I say the reverse also? If astronomy needs to be scheduled exactly 3 days after physics? My statement says that physics needs to be scheduled exactly 3 days before astronomy. So can I say the reverse also, that astronomy needs to be scheduled 3 days immediately, 3 days after physics? कह सकते हैं या नहीं कह सकते? है कि नहीं? Right? So I want astronomy to be 3 days after physics. So suppose if physics starts on Monday, then astronomy will be 1, 2, 3. In that case, astronomy will be on Thursday. Right? If physics starts on Tuesday, then 1, 2, 3. Astronomy in that case will be Friday. And if physics starts on Wednesday, then 1, 2, 3. In that case, astronomy will be on Saturday. So still I have 3 options for physics. I'll skip this line. Next part it says ki biology has to be scheduled for Thursday. Biology has to be scheduled for Thursday. Sir, this is something fixed. I can use this line कि now biology will be scheduled on Thursday and no other subject can be scheduled on Thursday except biology. Acha, biology has to be scheduled for Thursday and cannot immediately follow physics. Cannot immediately follow physics. Sir, can I say the reverse also, that physics cannot immediately precede biology? Right? So this tells me now I cannot schedule biology on Wednesday, because if I schedule, I cannot schedule physics on Wednesday, because if I schedule physics on Wednesday, then biology will immediately follow it. That cannot happen. So now for physics, we have only 2 options available, Monday and Tuesday. Right? For physics, I have only 2 options available, Monday and Tuesday. Because physics के लिए 3 option थे ना, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Because astronomy will be 3 days exactly after physics. Right? If I schedule last by last physics on Wednesday, then astronomy will be on Saturday. मतलब Wednesday के बाद तो physics जा नहीं सकता. So now, if I schedule physics on Monday, then 3 days after physics, it should be astronomy. So 1, 2, 3. In that case, astronomy will be on Thursday. क्या ये हो सकता है? नहीं हो सकता. So this tells me कि now physics needs to be scheduled on Tuesday. If I schedule physics on Tuesday, then 1, 2, 3. In that case, astronomy will be on Friday. अच्छा, किसी को ये तो डाउट नहीं है कि सर 3 days after लिखा है लेकिन आप तो 3rd day ले रहे हैं? किसी को ये तो डाउट नहीं है? लिखा है कि astronomy needs to be scheduled 3 days after physics. तो हमने कहा ये रहा physics 1, 2, 3. तो 3 days after तो 4th day होना चाहिए सर. आप तो 3rd day पे ही रख रहे हो. किसी को ये तो डाउट नहीं है? ये 3 days after हुआ 1, 2, 3. 3 days after हुआ ये कि on 3rd day हुआ? 3 days after क्या होता है? सैटरडे होना चाहिए. डाउट है क्या? नहीं है. कब पूछोगे? फीस नहीं दी तो क्या डाउट नहीं पूछोगे? ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. बताओ क्या होना चाहिए फिर? सैटरडे होना चाहिए. ठीक है. एक बात बताइए बेटे, इन लेट्स से यू हैव एन एग्जाम टुमारो. ठीक है, मान लेते हैं कि कल एग्जाम है. तो मैं आपसे पूछूं आपका कितने दिन बाद एग्जाम है, आप क्या बोलेंगे? कितने दिन बाद एग्जाम है. मैंने ये नहीं पूछा बेटा कब एग्जाम है. आफ्टर 1 डे. मतलब आप ये बोलोगे ना 1 दिन बाद एग्जाम है. ठीक, कल एग्जाम है तो आपने कहा 1 दिन बाद है, तो 1 दिन बाद कल हुआ. 1 डे आफ्टर, 2 डे आफ्टर, 3 डे आफ्टर. क्यों? क्योंकि कोई भी डे 0 जैसा कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं होता. When it comes to days, we don't have a concept called day 0. हम day 0 नहीं होता. मान लीजिए आज पेपर है, मैंने सुबह सुबह उठते ही पूछा पेपर कब है, आपने बोला आज ही तो है. आप ये थोड़ी बोलोगे डे 0. या मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं कितने दिन बाद है. सपोज आज आपका पेपर है, मैंने आपसे पूछा कितने दिन बाद पेपर है, आप क्या बोलेंगे? आज ही तो पेपर है. कितने दिन बाद क्या होता है? राइट? आप उस टाइम पे ये नहीं बोलेंगे कि डे 0 के बाद एग्जाम है. नहीं, कल होता तो आप बोलते कि 1 दिन बाद एग्जाम है. तो काउंटिंग में तो डे की काउंटिंग 1 से ही शुरू होती है, 0 से शुरू नहीं होती. तो 1 डे आफ्टर, 2 डे आफ्टर एंड दिस इज 3 डे आफ्टर. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? ऑलराइट. Now it was also said that this line geometry has to be scheduled immediately after algebra. So I know this very well that algebra and geometry will be scheduled on consecutive days. Now I have only one option of consecutive days, Sunday and Monday. So this, let's say this is algebra, Sunday was algebra, so geometry will be on Monday immediately after algebra. And now it was also said that one day will be a holiday and it can neither be a Sunday or Saturday. Sir, holiday cannot be Saturday or Sunday. So now for holiday, I have 2 day options available, Wednesday and Saturday. Now holiday cannot be on Saturday, so holiday will be on Wednesday. And now this Saturday it will be chemistry, because only one subject remains, that is chemistry. So how many days after physics is biology scheduled? 1 day after, 2 day after. Answer will be 1 day after and 2 day after. The answer will be 2 days after.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.